Let's be honest, when it comes to money, most of us are pretty confused. I mean, how many times have we heard terms like mutual fund investing and just nodded like we understand? Me too. But today I am going to make one of these terms SIP super easy to understand and explain why it might be the key of your financial future. Imagine you have a small plant. Every day you water it with just little water. Over time, the plant grows bigger and bigger. Now, what if I told you that investing money is kind of like watering that plant? Sound weird? Right, let me explain. So, SIP stands for Systematic Investment Plan. Think of it like a money growing plant. Instead of putting one big amount of money at all at once, you put in smaller amounts regularly, say every month. And just like the plant, your money starts growing steadily over time. Let's take a quick example. Imagine you decide to invest 500 rupees every month. You might be thinking 500 is nothing, but trust me, it's not about the amount, it's about the consistency. Over time, that 500 can grow into lot more thanks to the magic of compounding. Here's the cool part. With SIP, you don't need to worry about whether the market is going up or going down. That's because of something called rupee cost averaging. Let me explain it through a simple story. Think one of your friend loves to buy video games. Some months the games are expensive, some and others they are on sale. If your friend buys one game every month, sometimes they will pay more, sometimes less. But over a long run, they are not overpaying for every game. They are averaging the cost. In the same way, when you invest with SIP, sometimes the price of mutual fund is low, sometimes it on the higher side. But by investing a fixed amount each and every month, you are paying more you are buying more unit when the price is low and fewer unit when the price is high. That helps reduce the impact of price swing. And over time, you get a good average price for your investment. Now, let's talk about why SIP is so great for your long term goal. You can't just save a little and expect it to grow magically, right? That's where the SIP steps in. For example, let's say you start an SIP of 2000 rupees every month. When you are 25, that does not seem like much, right? But when you look at it over the next 20 years, the small amount monthly investment will add up. By the time you are 45, you could have a solid amount saved up thanks to the power of consistency and compounding. It's like planting a seed now and enjoying the shade of the tree 20 years later. If you start early, you don't even need to invest huge amounts. A little goes a long way. So let's recap benefits of SIP. First, small investment, big potential. You can start with little as 500 per month. No need for huge amounts. Second, compounding power. Your money grows over time without doing much. It's like letting your money work for you. Third, no stress. You don't have to worry about timing the market. Just invest regularly and let it grow. Fourth, flexible. You can adjust your SIP amount or even stop it if you need to. It's all in your control. Fifth, discipline in investment. SIP forces you to stay disciplined and invest regularly, which helps you to stay on track with your financial goals for long term. Here's the thing, saving money is not about making huge moves or taking big risks. It's about consistency and letting your money grow over time. Think of SIP as watering your plant every month. At first, it might look small, but give it time and you will see the growth. And if you start today, you will be thanking yourself in few years. If you learned something new today, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I am here to help you grow your financial knowledge one step at a time. So let's start watering that plant today. See you in the next video.